Careful up there, it looks unstable. Understood. Let's check the console. Readings are clear for now.
We have confirmed visual on the target. The flat face antenna is mostly intact. We require immediate support for extraction.
Crane 1, hold your position. Crane 2, slow lift, maintain alignment. Watch the debris field below.
All right, easy now, bring it down slow. Clear on this side, watch the cabling. Secure the forward binders, let's lock it down.
As you can see, the flat face array is heavily deformed. The structural integrity is gone, and the internal electronics are completely waterlogged. The corrosion here on the mesh is extensive, well beyond the schematics. I've documented the stress fractures near the mount point.
We're looking at significant rust on the wiring harnesses. The electrical assemblies are completely corroded. It's worse than we anticipated.
We must reinforce this section. The damage is too extensive.
Agreed. The antenna mount is compromised. We should fabricate a new bracket based on the original specifications.
This connection point seems original, but the insulation is failing.
We'll label it for immediate replacement.
Slowly now, bring it up 5 meters, watch the clearance on the starboard side. Clear on my end, boss, it's stable. Just a bit higher on the left. Easy now, clear the frame. All right, traverse left, hold steady.
This measurement on the blueprint is critical for the emitter's stability.
I agree. The CAD model confirms the revision, but we must ensure the fabrication matches exactly. The displacement on this section is significant.
I'm getting 22 millimeters on the caliper.
Noted. That confirms the structural failure.
The heat map confirms significant stress concentrations here. We're looking at extensive corrosion.
And the laser scan shows the warping is severe on the lower support.
Easy now, bring it straight up. Clearance looks good on the starboard side.
That one is severely damaged. We should log it immediately. Reorganization. Yes, and the wiring harness underneath looks compromised as well.
It's moving. Keep going. I've got it. We're almost there.
Look here, just above the weld line, that's a hairline fracture.
I see it. Documenting the location now. We'll need dye penetrant on this section.
Pressure is steady at 200 bars.
Laser alignment is green. We have calibration.
Hold it right there. Perfect alignment.
Securing the bolts now.
The vertical alignment is off by 2 millimeters. Check the calibration on the laser, just to be sure. It's calibrated. The mount point seems slightly warped. Its tolerance must be exact to match the original P-15 specifications.
Understood. I'll adjust the weld path now.
right, bring the armature down slowly. Watch the windings.
It's seated. The tolerances look good.
Torque wrench set. We are within spec.
The new capacitor is installed. Are the readings correct?
Yes, verifying against the diagram now. Looks good.
Check the tension on that bundle. Look on top. Looks good, nice and tight to the frame.
Okay, ease now. Bring it up 5 centimeters.
Roger that. Holding steady.
Alignment checks out, right on spec. Excellent. Another Soviet relic, ready for duty.
Right there, align the shaft.
Okay, applying the torque now. 3 clicks.
Solid. Let's inspect the wiring next. Okay, easy now. Watch the harness.
Got it.
Torque to spec. Check the alignment on the upper array. It's off by 2 millimeters. Adjusting the tension now. We're stable.